Good morning พี่น้อง Come for fishing มาตึกปลาพี่น้องก็ยังบอนน่ะเอาเรือลงโบดแรมหั่นน่ะยังน่ะว่าไอว่าซ่าๆบ่อนหันแต่บ่มีแล้วยังออกมานอกพี่บ่อนกองคั่วพี่ยังมีอยู่หน่อยนึงพี่น้องโอเคฟังเบิ่งนี่คือสิบ่อันนั้นน่ะแต่ว่าก็มาลองเบิ่งมาเอาเรือมาลงน้ำลองเบิ่งมาอาบน้ำลองเบิ่ง โอ้ยเรือก็ติดยากได้มื้อเช้านี่ก็ได้ติดบ่ได้แบตเตอรี่จนหมดจะได้จำอีกHopefully everything okay ตอนนี้อยู่กองครัวเนาะ Yeah, I fishing under bridge. You see that out there? The shadow like that is ice. Still have ice. Okay, you see that? Like a fuzzy? That ice. Okay. Oh, I fishing. What always? But it start melting. Start melting. See? Today come here.See what's going on. I can check up. Yeah, and I take my boat down, upgrade. I've been worried about my boat engine. This morning I crank, it won't start, and I run out the battery. But the one thing I bring my jumper, charger, right there.Jumper charger and I have one jump is start and hopefully it's from now on it can be start okay to see that oh that's under bridge okay the chocolate town bending lake whatever is and it connect together you see that the lake is a big lake too.Mostly I come fishing here for crappie. Striper is right there. You see that the end out there, the dam. And they turn on the water. That's good for fishing for striper. I know this year not enough water. Everything hard. Everything really hard. Okay. Also, this world is everything.Man, really hard. I don't know what's going on. I can go out there, check it out again. See?